Hello everyone! So for today's video, magluluto ako ng pan-fried fish, potato cake, green beans para sa dinner ng aking asawa at bunsong anak. And then, yung panganay ko naman ay he's having a chicken kasi ayaw niya, hindi kumakain ng isda. So guys, ayan na yung pan-fried fish ko. And then, ito naman ang aking fish curry. So, masarap siya guys. Gusto ko yung malapot yung sauce. Kaya, pinapatuyo ko muna yung sauce. So, ready na yung dinner ng aking dalawang kasama dito. Yung dinner ng aking asawa at dinner ng aking bunsong anak. At ayan ang aking curry. Hinihintay ko na lamang na maluto ang beans. Nilagyan ko siya ng green beans, tsaka coriander leaves, at tsaka curry leaves dyan. So, sarap niya. Tsaka ang bango-bango niya guys. Kung naaamoy nyo lang. So, yan na guys. Hope everyone are all okay. Look after yourself. Take care. Thanks for watching guys. Bye. Love you all.